Many chose Grado as their weekend destination.
What are your weekend plans in Grado?
We're going to visit our friends at the Villaggio Turistico down the ways, and then we're going to maybe explore some caves in Slovenia.
What are you going to do?
Having a nice time on the beach and in the city, and yeah, enjoying life in Grado.
Only today. Tomorrow, I think we're going to the beach.
On a campsite and looking around in Grado.
Hi, I'm from Gorizia and I'm here in Grado for the weekend and enjoy with a friend from Veneto. And yeah, the weather unfortunately is not so good, but we will try to enjoy most of the day.
Like stay on the beach, we stay together, we hang out together. We are like 10 people and yeah, it was really fun.
We stay here for 3 weeks, and well, today the weather is not so beauty, but we hope tomorrow will be better.
I really like the beach. Maybe yesterday was a big storm, but we got home safe. And bicycling around town is very beautiful, so I recommend it.
First time here, we've been to Trieste, we've been to the castle and been around Venezia. So